Hey everyone, this is Rasmus from rasmushealth.com and welcome to my video tutorial how to create surveys in 1 minute using only one keyword. And yes, you heard that right. I'm gonna show you how to create a survey with only putting in one keyword, because we are using the power of artificial intelligence or AI to create the questions for us. And in order to do this, we are going to use a software called Survei or Survei. And this is a brand new software that just launched a few days ago. And this makes this process super easy. And you can use these surveys for anything out there. And they even come with a survey funnel, so you don't need to have a website or anything like that in order to start using these surveys and start collecting answers. And on top of this, you can actually use these surveys to generate your email leads and your phone leads. So you can use it to build your email list or telemarketing call list, or whatever it is that you want to do with your surveys. You can do that. So let's jump in and see how you can actually use artificial intelligence to create these questions for you and get started in just 1 minute. So now you can see here I'm inside of the survey software. And here on the left you have the menu, and I'm right now in the dashboard, and here I can create a new survey either based on a template or I can create it from blank. And let's just look at the templates before we get into the process here. And the templates here, we have 10 templates on the front end version of the Surveyi software. And here you can see we have about crypto, about pets, about real estate, and so on. Let's just take the pets one to see what that looks like. And here you can see we have this survey that is already generated for us. And here you can see we have some different questions. What is the most popular small pet in the United States? And so on and so on. We have some yes and no. We can create multiple choice. And you can see down here at the bottom, we even have an email address. So we could use these templates here to do it easily, but I would like to do it with a blank template where we are going to use the AI, so that we are going to generate unique questions that is going to spike desire, put people to take action, and just get the data that is very important for you to know about your potential customers or your current customers when you want to ask people general questions about a market, or you're doing some sort of research of any kind. This is a great software because you can use this to do everything, and you just have to type in one keyword in order to start creating these questions. So here you can see I'm inside of the survey builder, and up here we can easily share it to Facebook and Twitter and LinkedIn. We can export our results. We can also see our results in here. In here is the link to our survey as it looks now, and here we can insert an iframe so we can integrate it into any website out there. Down here we have some different settings. We can put on a password, we can put on a welcome page, and of course we can put in our title. Let's just call this healthy life, and then there's a test campaign, so let's call it test 2, and then we save it. And before we get into the actual building of this survey, I would like to show you what is possible inside of the software, and then we can jump into actually creating it in less than 1 minute. So here you can see we have all of these options over here of what we can put into the survey. So we can put in multiple choice, short text, long text, yes and no, drop down. Then we can put phone number in, where they can put in their phone number or their email. They can put in a date, they can put in a number. Then we have some slider ratings, where we have a slider here, we have a slider where they can choose like 0 to 100, and then we have a page break. But where the magic happens is up here, because we can generate unlimited questions with the power of AI up here. And here we can create short questions, yes and no questions, or multiple choice questions. And here we just have to put in a single keyword, and we can also put in a keyword about the audience, but that is not necessary. But of course, it's the AI is going to write this specific question to this audience, so you are going to get a much better survey if you do that as well. So let's see. Let's start creating the survey, and the time is starting now, and let's see if I can do it in 1 minute. Let's just create some short questions here. Let's add 4 questions about healthy lifestyle. It's actually out here. Let's put adults in, and then we can choose our language, and then we just generate questions. Now it's going to generate 4 questions about healthy lifestyle that is targeted to adults. And then at the bottom, we want our email because we want to collect the email leads. And now I am actually done. So here you can see we have 4 questions. Let's just add some more. Since I have more time, let's add 2 yes and no questions. Let's put in the healthy life and the adult again, and add a couple of more questions to our survey because we still have 15 seconds left to build this. And let's just move this one down to the bottom, so that is the last thing. And now we are at 1 minute. So here we have a survey about healthy lifestyle. What are your thoughts on leading a healthy lifestyle? Do you think that it is important to have a healthy lifestyle? Let's go down to this one. Do you try to exercise regularly? Yes or no? And this one here, do you try to eat healthy foods? Yes or no? And what is super cool about these yes and no questions and the multiple choice questions is that you can redirect them to a specific link based on their answer. So let's say here, do you try to exercise regularly? If they say yes, then maybe you can send them to some sort of fitness equipment that you are going to try to sell to them. If they say no, then maybe you should sell them some sort of motivational program that actually educates them into how important it is to exercise regularly. So this way you can segment your visitors into specific groups where you can then target them and offer them the service that is right for them. So this is a super cool way to generate surveys. And of course we can just save it here at the bottom, and let's just see what it actually looks like now. And of course we could remove any of these questions if we don't want them, and we could add more questions, as many as we want, because you can generate unlimited AI questions with this software. And you can see here, this is what our survey looked like now. And like I said before, you could have these yes and no or the multiple choice question to direct people to specific pages. So it has some super cool features, including the sharing features inside, and you can get access to Survey for a one-time fee of just $37, and then you can use this for a lifetime. So this is super cool. However, I will inform you that there are some limitations on the front end. So you will be able to collect 1,000 responses per survey. You can add 3 questions to every survey, and you can have 25 active surveys at any time. So you can always go in and deactivate them and then create new surveys like that. And of course, like I said before, you have unlimited AI questions, so you're never going to run out of how many questions the AI can generate for you, which is super cool. And if you decide to pick up the Surveyi software, I also put together a special bonus package that I would like to show you. And if you click the link in the description below here, you will go to my review and bonus page that looks like this. And here you can read my full review of Surveyi by clicking any of these boxes here. You can watch my review video with a behind the scenes demo. And at the bottom of the page, you will find all of my bonuses. And here you can see you're going to get a software that generates unlimited targeted leads that you are allowed to contact. You're going to get 250 niche ebooks to give away as rewards for participations in your surveys. You're going to get 2 of the best traffic sources that you can for surveys that you can start generating free traffic from, where you're going to learn how to do that. You're going to get a free traffic app that shows you how to generate, that automates free traffic from LinkedIn with just 1 click per day. You're going to get an email marketing course that shows you how to generate $1,000 per day, which was created by a 7-figure affiliate marketeer. You're going to learn how to set up your new email autoresponder for free that you can use with Surveyi. You're going to get 100 of the hottest affiliate products in top niches with 50% commission. And you're going to get a Surveyi case study where they show you how they generated $25,000 per year with a 3-question survey. You're also going to get all of the vendor bonuses, including these 4 extra bonuses. And if you decide to pick up any of the OTOs, you're also going to get all of my OTO bonuses, including a software that automates Facebook and Instagram tasks to get free traffic. This includes commenting, replying, messages, posting, and even scheduling your posting. This software is two different softwares actually, where you get a one-click software to generate free traffic auto growth from either Facebook or Instagram, and you can use both of these software together with this to generate even better results. I'm also going to give you 2,500 done for you high converting email swipes that's ready to send, that you can just send to these subscribers that you're generating with Survey. And last but not least, I'm going to give you 4,500 done for you social media post images for your automations, so you can just put them into your scheduling up here and post for years to come without ever having to touch a computer again. So all of these bonuses are instantly delivered to you as soon as you check out on JVZoo. And the way that you do that is by clicking the link in the description below, then clicking on any of the yellow buttons on my page, then going through the secure checkout page, sales page on, first going to the sales page of Survey, and then going to the secure checkout process on JVZoo. And when you're done checking out, you reach a page that looks like this. Here you just click this blue button here that says bonus from Rasmus, and then you have instant access to all of my bonuses. So I hope that you will take action on the things that you learned here inside of this video, where you can create your own surveys, and you can do that in just 1 minute with just one keyword. You only have to use one keyword in order to generate these questions, so you don't need to know anything about how to write effective questions, how to set up your survey funnel or anything like that, because the software takes care of everything for you. So if you are interested in creating your own surveys, I will highly recommend that you pick up Survey. So that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching my video tutorial, how to create surveys in 1 minute using only one keyword. I'll speak to you on the next one. Take care and bye bye.